2 new fence and 2 on the other side. This is my backyard. Still trimming around, removing a lot of weeds and grass that's been grown out and certain bushes. Pretty big yard, very big. 2 lots. And coming to see the front side. The house is still being worked on. I did a lot in here. Still got more to do. Now I got the backside to do right here. Slowly but surely, we're getting there. Something that someone put together with these bricks here. So we got a little fireplace here. Look like we're in Fred Flintstone time, or Captain Caveman. Got rid of a lot of junk here.